Hello everyone, this is Gabriel, the Forex Helper, and I'm here to start 2019 off right. We're going to start this year on the right track. And before I even move any further, let's get into the way we started off our 2019. January, look at the growth we have here on our MyFXBook account. 30% growth for the month of January, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to start off like a rocket and we're going to blast off into profits. Join us. Be part of this movement. Don't fall for the fast, quick scams out there. Okay? We're going to stick around and we're going to help others become wise investors, long-term investors in the financial markets. Set a goal for yourself. 90 days. Make a plan. I talk about it in the ebook, Easy Forex Trading. Click on the link below if you want to take part in our promotional offer. Right now, we're offering 60 days of forever lifetime signals. That's a $49.99 value for only $24.95. All right, so you're getting that for half off, 50% off. Take advantage of this year. Make a plan for yourself. These 90 days that will be coming up, where will you be financially? Will you be further ahead, or will you be back where you were last year or the year before that? All right, make a change. Start now. www.theforexhelper.com. Happy trading, happy investing.